Okay, the book is all in there. That's the Rabi', which is, I think, page. Yep, this is the page. Okay. So, alhamdulillah, a lot of good homework I received, mashallah. Some nice writing practice the brothers had an opportunity to do this week. And, mashallah, they received some feedback and some of the corrections. Very important to remember the significance of alif and lam. That when you use alif and lam, al-maktabu, al-kitabu, you're talking about something specific. Also, very important to remember, does it have a dhamma on the end of it? Does it have a kasra? Now, when you might question one day, when we hear people speaking, we don't hear them speaking with a dhamma or a kasra at the end. So why are we, impressing this issue so much in pronouncing the end sound? And actually, the end sound contains the meaning of the word, and when someone's learning language new, it's important to identify, the meanings of those words and their positioning in the sentence. So this gives a person the ability to understand what he's reading or writing, or saying, or listening to. I don't know that matter. So important to know that when you say Ain al-Kitab, at the end point is with a dhamma on it, and that is the i'rab, that is the position of the end point which contains the meaning. And when you say ala al-maktabi, then you know that kasra there is there for a purpose, and because it's related to that harf al-jar ala. We said last class that there were 6 things that were new being introduced in this lesson. And we covered a few of them already. At least definitely we covered 3 of them, and the 4th one we were alluding to it. And that was the names, feminine and masculine names of people, where a masculine name has 2 dhammas and a feminine name only has 1 dhamma. Hence, in the question, in the passage, it says, وَأَيْنَ يَاسِرٌ, my pointer, وَأَيْنَ يَاسِرٌ, in this case it says, وَأَيْنَ آمِنَةُ, 1 dhamma. Okay. وَأَيْنَ يَاسِرٌ هُوَ فِي الْحَمَّامِ وَأَيْنَ آمِنَةُ هِيَ على السرير وعلى في المطبخ هي في المطبخ هي في المطبخ. So here referring to the feminine. The question now is al-kitab masculine or feminine? Brothers, somebody quickly type the answer to that question, please. أحسنت أخي نهال. جيد. بارك الله فيك. Yes, it is. أحسنت حذيفة. It is indeed masculine. So if it's masculine, why does it only have 1 dhamma? جيد. الله يبارك فيكم. That was a trick question from me. Yes, because the word says al-kitabu, so the dhamma is nothing to do with masculine or feminine. The dhamma has got to do with alif and lam being present. Thank you, Nihal, Junaid, and all the brothers, Khalifa and others, mashallah. So you're switched on. Good. And the same goes for as-sa'atu. As-sa'atu. It has 1 dhamma, nothing to do with masculine or feminine, but rather alif or lam. Well, is the word as-sa'atu masculine or feminine? Barakallahu feek, Hudayfa and others. Jayyid. So how do you know it's feminine? What is the sign, the biggest, clearest sign? Allah barak feek, Jayyid. Ahsant. Naam, all of you. Ahsantum is the ta marbuta at the end. A word that has ta marbuta at the end of it, generally speaking, it's pretty much the absolute rule. This is going to be a feminine word, except for the case of some masculine pronouns, meaning a male name, which happens to finish with ta marbuta. And the ta marbuta name will always have one dhamma. Yes, it will always have one dhamma. Even if it belongs to a male. But when you refer to that person, you won't say hiya, obviously you'll say huwa. Can anyone think of a name that of a masculine which may have a ta marbuta on it? جيد أسامة أحسنت حذيفة. But you went far away. You went far away to somebody else's name. Okay, حذيفة. معاوية جيد. Can you think of another name which is much closer to you? أحسنت. Your own name. حذيفة. Names that don't have a ta marbuta, but they still only have one dhamma because they refer to a female. For example, زينب أحسنت. جيد. That's good. طيب يا إخوة.